नमस्कार दोस्तों, आप सबका स्वागत है टीपीएम अवेयरनेस सेशन। आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे केके लॉस 14 एनर्जी लॉस। What is energy loss? Energy loss is the waste of energy that does not add value to the manufacturing processes and increase production cost. Save today, earn tomorrow. Waste energy is equal to waste money. Like examples: compressed air leakage, ideal running machines, stream leakage, water leakage, excessive lighting. Save energy, reduce cost, improved profitability. Some are the common examples for energy loss: air leakage in compressed air system, machine running idle, excessive power consumption, steam leakage, water leakage, inefficient motors and pumps, poor machine maintenance, lighting left on unnecessarily, improper machine settings, utility loss due to again infrastructure. Eliminate energy waste, build a sustainability future. Typical manufacturing example like production stop, machine running, compressed air consumption, power consumption. Result: energy consumed without producing any product. Wasted energy, lost money. Save energy, reduce cost, improve efficiency, build sustainability future. What are the impacts of energy lost? Impact on increased manufacturing cost, reduce profitability, higher utility bills, increase carbon footprints, lower equipment efficiency, reduce sustainability performance. Wasted energy is equal to wasted money and resources. Save energy today, secure tomorrow. Hidden effects of energy loss: increased production cost per part, excessive compressed air consumption, higher maintenance cost, environmental impact, reduce competitiveness. It creates cost increase, wasted compressed air, more breakdowns, more maintenance, more emission, higher footprint, lower profit, loss of business. Save energy today, secure tomorrow, reduce waste, improve efficiency, boost profitability. Kaizen countermeasure for this energy loss: conduct energy audits, eliminate leakage of air, steams and water leaks, switch off idle equipments, energy monitoring system, install energy monitoring system, use energy efficient motors, optimize compression operation, implement preventive maintenance, improve power factor, LED light conservation, and employ energy awareness programs. Save energy, reduce cost, improve profitability. Small action, big saves. The goal of Kovetsu Kaizen for this KK loss is produce more, produce with less energy consumption. Remember, the cheapest energy is the energy you never consume. By eliminating energy losses, organization can reduce manufacturing cost, improve sustainability, increase profitability, support environmental goals. Save energy, save money, build a better future. Save energy today, secure a sustainable tomorrow. If you found this video useful, like this video, share your energy saving ideas in the comments, share this video with your colleagues, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Next video, KK loss number 15, die, jig and tool loss. So save energy, save cost. Your support help us grow. Share your ideas, create a better tomorrow. Stay tuned for more TPM and Kaizen contents. Thank you very much friends. Meet you in again next video.